Hi everyone, my name is Martin. I'm with a protocol called Q. Beyond code is law. What do I mean by that? Do I mean that code is bad or that we shouldn't use code? No. Quite the opposite. Actually, you should use code. DAOs are built on code, that are built around code. Code is at the center of DAOs. However, code has its limits. So whatever your DAO does, there is only so far that code can take you. There is always an element of human-based decision-making, which is subjective, which needs to be interpreted, which can't be predicted with certainty for all time in the future. And still, you want that element of decision-making to be safe and to be governed well, because at the end of the day, that is what DAOs do. They are vehicles to promote coordination and promote governance for humans. So whenever the code breaks down, whenever the code reaches its limits, this is where Q comes in. So with Q, we're providing a governance framework for Web3. So DAOs can build on Q, they can use Q to support their governance, whatever the DAO is, whether it's a social DAO, an investment DAO, DAO that controls a protocol, you will always have elements of decision-making, of governance that you cannot code in smart contracts 100%. And beyond that, this is what Q supports, what Q provides. And 3 elements here are relevant, and 3 elements are supported by Q. The first one is the decision rules themselves. So Q can support your DAO in setting up the rule set and integrating that into the governance framework that the Q protocol provides. Then in case of disputes, there is a mechanism to resolve disputes that other protocols can use, that they can benefit on. And lastly, there are ways to enforce decisions that the DAOs make. So whether your DAO has decisions that are human-based or not, it's important to think about where the limits are. And beyond what code can do, this is what Q supports. So come please meet us today at DAO Tokyo. It's really great to be here. There are a few other people from the team. Garrett is somewhere in the crowd mingling. We have Diana. Come talk to them. You'll identify them with the t-shirts with cherry blossoms on them. Very nicely done. Grab some swag. Talk to us about human-based governance that Q supports. With that, thank you very much.